Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Here I am Muhammad Farooq Hussain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, now I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 1 and its English language class. And today we are going to discuss Unit 1, Unit 2, Lesson 3 and 4. So, to solve this, we need to go to the board. So, let's come to the board. Dear students, in exercise 3, what is written here? Write the name of the animals and birds you can see in the picture. Okay, dear students, the animals or birds what you can see here, you will have to write it here. Okay, so at first what we can see, do you know what is this? This is a horse. So we will write horse first. Dear students, so I have written horse. Then what I can see here, beside horse there is a camel. Okay, C-A-M-E-L. Okay, so after camel what we can see here, here we can see a rabbit here. Okay, so we will write rabbit. And after that what we can see here, we can see a peacock. Here you can see a peacock. Okay, this is the 4. Dear students, in number 5 we can see, here you can see what is this. This is a bird. What kind of bird it is? What is its name? This is a parrot. Okay, number 5 finished. Then number 6, dear students, you can see it. It is what? It's a zebra. Okay, Z-E-B-R-A. And after writing zebra, what we can see? We can see a crow. Okay, we can see a crow here. Okay, here is the crow, black. Okay, dear students, so it's very easy. What is written here? Write the name of the animals and birds you can see in the picture. So at first we can see horse, then we have written horse, then camel, then we have written camel, then rabbit, then we have written rabbit, then peacock, here is the peacock here, then parrot, we can see parrot, then zebra, here is the zebra, then crow, here is the crow, then C-R-O-W, crow. Dear students, this is all about exercise 3 and this is your first HW. Okay, HW number 1, and you will write these names, only these names at your HW copy. Okay, and submit it on next Saturday. Okay, next Saturday. And dear students, now we will go to exercise 4. What is written here? First, match the pictures with the names of the animals. So we have to match these pictures with this animal's name. Okay, and next match the animals with their babies. Okay, so dear students, first of all we will match these pictures with these names. So first of all, what picture is it? Dear students, this is a goat, this is a cow, this is a horse, this is a hen, and one is done for you, that is a cat. So look, cat would be matched with this cat. Okay, then after cat, what is it? You all know it. It's a dog. And after dog, at last, what is this? This is a duck. So dear students, now we will match all these animals with their names. So goat first. Goat is here. So we will match it like this. Okay. Then what is this? This is cow. So cow is in 4 number. Cow. Then what is this? This is horse. Horse who is in 5 number. So horse. Then hen. Hen is in 6 number. Hen. Then cat is already done in your book. Cat with cat. And then what is this? You know, and you may see it on the roads, and sometimes someone use it as their pet. This is dog. Dog is in 7 number. And the last one is, which one is it? It is duck, and you get duck here. Okay. So you will match it with that duck like this. So dear students, from exercise 4, first work has already been done. First work was match the pictures with the names of the animals. So we have already matched all the animals with their name. Dear students, then what is said here? Here is said that next match the animals with their babies. That means we have to match these animals with its individual babies. That means this is cat, and we match it with cat, and cat's baby is called kitten. Okay. And number 2 is what? Number 2 is duck. Duck's baby is called duckling. Okay. So we will match duck with duckling with F like this. Okay. And dear friends, what is in the third number? Third number is goat. Goat's baby is called kid. Okay. Then the number 4. 4 is what? 4 is cow. So cow would be matched with calf. And then number 5. Number 5 is what? Number 5 is horse. Horse baby is called foal. So we will match it like this. Dear students, what is written in the next? In the number 6, it's hen. You all know it. Hen's baby is called chick. Hen's baby is called chick. And at the last one is dog. So dog is here, and from this side only pup is remaining. So here dog will be matched with this pup. Students, I am repeating exercise number 4 again. First match the pictures with the animals or with the names of the animals. Number 1, goat. Goat is where? Goat is here. Then cow. Cow is here. Then horse. Horse here. Hen. Hen is here. Then cat is done for you on your book. Cat is here. Then dog is here. Then duck is here. Okay. And after finishing first work, we have to complete the next work. Next task was match the animals with their babies. Match the animals with their babies. So we have to match these animals' name with their babies. Their babies. Cat. Cat babies is done for you. Cat's babies is called kitten. Okay. Number 2, duck. You all know that duck's baby is called duckling. Then goat. Goat's baby is called kid. Cow. Cow babies is called calf. Then what is here? Dear students, it's horse. Horse baby is called foal. Then hen. Hen, you all know it. Hen's baby is called chick, and at last dog. Dog's baby is called pup. And I am repeating you again, this is your HW1, HW number 1, you must do it only these 7 names at your CW copy and submit it in the next Saturday. Okay? So dear students, this is all about today's class. I hope you all have understood the lecture, and for your better understanding, you must go through the book and match it properly and see the video again if you face any problem. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.